Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English story. My name is Natasha, and I want to share my daily routine with you. This story is perfect for English learners who want to practice listening and speaking. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy. Every morning, my day begins at 6:30 a.m. My alarm clock rings, but I usually wake up a few seconds before it does. My room is peaceful and quiet, and the morning sunlight slowly filters through the window, painting soft patterns on my wall. The very first thing I do is stretch while still in my comfy bed. I reach my arms up high and extend my legs, feeling the sleepiness slowly leave my body. Stretching really helps me wake up and feel fresh for the day ahead. After a good stretch, I sit up on the edge of my bed, rub my eyes, and take a long, deep breath. The air in my room feels cool and crisp. Then I make my way to the bathroom. The first stop is the sink, where I splash cool water on my face. This is my secret weapon for feeling more awake instantly. Then I grab my toothbrush and paste to brush my teeth, making sure they're clean and ready for breakfast. Once I'm done in the bathroom, I go back to my room to pick out my outfit for school. I open my closet and scan through my clothes. I usually pick something simple and comfortable, like a pair of jeans and a cozy sweater or a t-shirt. Comfort is key for a long day of classes. After getting dressed, I head downstairs to the kitchen. The delicious smell of breakfast often greets me. My mom is usually there preparing something for us. I eat something light to start my day. Sometimes it's a piece of toast with jam. Other times it's a bowl of fruit or some cereal with milk. I enjoy munching slowly and taking a few moments to think about the day ahead, planning what I need to do. At around 7:30, it's time to leave for school. I grab my backpack, say goodbye to my family, and head out the door. My journey to school varies. Some days I walk with my friends who live nearby. On other days, especially if it's raining, I take the bus. The weather is always different. When I arrive at school, the hallways are already bustling with students. The energy is high. Everyone is talking, sharing stories from the evening before, and getting ready for the first class. Our teachers often stand by their classroom doors to greet us with a warm good morning, which is a nice way to start the school day. My first class begins promptly at 8 a.m., but I find my seat, take out my notebook and pen, and get ready to learn. I try to listen carefully to the teacher, take clear notes, and participate in class discussions whenever I can. Some subjects, like English and art, come easily to me, and I really enjoy them. Other subjects, like math or science, can be a bit more challenging, but I always do my best to tackle every task with focus and a positive attitude. I know that even the difficult subjects help me learn and grow. During our mid-morning break, I meet up with my friends in the schoolyard. It's a short but welcome pause from classes. It's a great time to just relax and catch up. Lunch is my favorite part of the school day. My friends and I all find a table in the cafeteria to sit together. We unpack our lunches, eat, chat, and laugh. We talk about everything and nothing. This break recharges me for the rest of the day. After lunch, we return to our afternoon classes. By this point, I sometimes start to feel a little tired. I remind myself to keep going and pay attention because there are only a few more hours left. When that final bell rings at the end of the day, a wave of excitement sweeps through the school. Everyone rushes out of the classrooms, eager to head home. When I get home, the first thing I do is change out of my school clothes and into something more comfortable. I head to the kitchen, drink a big glass of water, and grab a small snack like an apple or some crackers. Then I sit down at my desk to finish my homework. I prefer studying in a quiet place where I can concentrate without distractions. Sometimes my homework only takes an hour, but other times, especially if I have a big project, it can take longer. I always try to finish everything before the evening begins, so I can have some free time. In the evening, I finally have time for myself. This is my absolute favorite part of the day. It's when I get to do the things I love. I'm passionate about drawing, so I often take out my sketchbook and pencils to create small illustrations. It's so satisfying to bring an idea to life on paper. Other times, if I'm in a musical mood, I'll play my guitar. Strumming the chords and singing along to my favorite songs helps me relax and completely forget the stress of the day. Later in the evening, I help my mum set the table for dinner. We sit down together as a family, eat the meal my mum prepared, and talk about our days. I share what happened at school, and my parents talk about their work. I enjoy this family time very much. It's a moment to connect and share. At around 10 p.m., I head to my room to get ready for bed. I like to read a few pages of a book before I go to sleep. It's a peaceful activity that helps my mind settle down. Reading makes me feel calm and transports me to another world for a little while. Soon enough, my eyes start to feel heavy, and I can feel myself getting sleepy. I turn off the light, get under my soft, warm blanket, and slowly drift off to sleep, ready to rest and recharge for a new day. Every day is different, but also similar in many ways. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. I hope you enjoyed it and that it helps you with your English practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.